and we see that our electric motor does not run, it's just humming. So, welcome to Kigali-Engineers-College. Today's session, it's about the three-phase circuits which is used to run the motor. So, here there is the pump motor, as called the piston pump motor, which have the primer mover of the electric motor. It means that the electric motor is controlled by the electricity. So, if this is the first time to visit the Kigali-Engineers-College YouTube, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell. So, let's continue. The materials we have been used. There is the wire insulator, the insulator. There is the wires. The tool we use. There is the screwdriver, star screwdriver and flat screwdriver. Plier. And the equipment we use, there is the digital multimeter. Those tools and the materials and the equipment we will use to see diagnosis, testing, and the mounting or dismounting some parts. So let's start. This is the cable. Three-phase cable. This is the plug or three-phase cable. There is the 4-pin. First pin, it is the neutral. Other is the earth, neutral, and three-phase. First phase, second phase, and three-phase. So also there is the wire connector used to connect the wire. So we see there is three-phase socket outlet. There is the three-phase circuit breaker, and also there is the one-phase circuit breaker, one-phase socket outlet. Also here there is electric motor. It is the three-phase electric motor. It is just in the types of delta connection. So we are going to connect and see how this circuit operates this motor, and if there is a problem, we will discuss how to solve it. So let's first see how to connect this three-phase socket outlet. Let's open. There is a cover, where the wire is connected. I am moving the screw that holds the cover of three-phase socket outlet and move. There is also three-phase connection. As we see here, there is the four wires. It means that the three wires, it is the three-phase. One phase, second phase, and third phase. Another one, it is the neutral. Then the fifth one, it is the earth. So as we see here, there is the three-phase circuit breaker. It is connected. It is grouped parallel. It means that you will supply the three-phase either on this first three-phase socket outlet or in this second three-phase socket outlet. So because it is looped parallel, whenever if you supply here or this circuit breaker will get the voltage or the three-phase voltage. So and it is looped from one phase because it is a single phase which is supply or which protect this one phase socket outlet. So the way you measure if you are a three-phase socket outlet, it just receive the voltage or the current. We use the multimeter and set to the alternative current because we are going to connect to the alternative current socket outlet. So then select to the will not go above or below because it does not provide the exactly digits of the voltage. So when you measure here, there is no voltage because you didn't connect this three-phase plug to the three-phase socket outlet which have the voltage. So first, let's go and connect this three-phase plug to the three-phase socket outlet which have the voltage. So let's connect. You will see how to connect it properly. Yeah, that's alright. It's well connected. So, and also this is another one. It means that on this there is the voltage, high voltage. So it's better to keep yourself. Don't touch on it. So let's connect it properly. Here it's well connected. So let's take this digital multimeter to measure if there is the voltage from the power supply to that connector to make sure that our circuit it's well electrical powered. So when you are going to measure the voltage, there is the two cables on the multimeter. There is a common cable and it's read, and there is another one. It means that to measure voltage and the resistance. So we will use these things. We will touch on the common. We touch on the common plug, and we are going to see the neutral one. It means that if the one cable of those it's a neutral, it means that there is no voltage indicated, or if there is some voltage drop, it indicates a very few voltage. So let's begin. You see, it's a 29 volt, and also 35 volt, and also 85 volt, and also here there is a 180 volt. This it means that the power supply, it have the instability of the power supply. There is the low voltage and some voltage drop because there is the 25 volt, 6, 85, 183. So it means that there is some voltage drop because we didn't see any wire which indicates 0 voltage. So let's and also use here. So it means that here the neutral, according to the color code, it either be blue or black. So let's take black as neutral. Neutral one. We put. We see there is 85. And also C139. It's not enough volt for 3 phase, and also 1 phase, a third phase. It is just near the stable because it have the 270 volt. But when we take the blue as the neutral, we see 100, and also we see 10 volt, and also we see 100, and also here we see. It means that the blue, it is the neutral one because it's the one that you connect the neutral and indicate those 3 phase. It indicate the not enough but the near enough volt. So, and also here it's the same 100. It means that the connector it's a well connected. 100 and also 67. So this phase 2, it means that they have unstable voltage. So, and also in this input of the circuit breaker, it means that the current pass through this wire and to this 3-phase circuit breaker, and also we measure it. We take blue as neutral. We see 100, and also here there is 70. 100. So if you turn on your circuit breaker, it means the current pass through this wire to the electric motor as the primer mover of this piston pump. It's just a pump, it's a hydraulic pump, just to pump the hydraulic fluid. So, and also we see how to connect the 1 phase. This is how in the house be installed in the circuit in the. As was open here, we will measure also. But if we measure here, there is a voltage. It means that this socket, 3-phase socket, outlet to work properly. So let's turn on. We see our electric motor does not move. It's just humming. So because we see some phase, it's not stable about the voltage, but because in this circuit to run the motor, we must need some device like capacitor, which is used to produce some little voltage for startup electric motor. So when you have the question or idea or suggestion about the problem that caused the electric motor, don't learn just humming don't afraid to write down in the comment, and before make sure you subscribe, and you will see that our electric motor does not lag, it's just humming. So in the next video we see how to diagnose some electric motor just humming but does not lag. What causes electric motor to face that problem and how will be solved. So thank you so much. The session of today is on the end, but for more knowledge and more learning, don't forget to hit on the subscribe and click on the bell in order we will see the more video. Thank you so much.